Hello traders, this is David from Wave Trader. I want to show you a trade I'm currently in on USdCad currency pair, and I want to show you how I got into this trade. So I'm on the 4-hour chart now. Let's just move on to the monthly. And on the monthly chart, one moment while I clear out all these lines. On the monthly chart, this is what I'm seeing. We had the run up in price that gave us 1, 2, 3. So we are in the fourth wave right now. You can also look at it from this perspective and call here the first wave, this whole thing the second, here the third, and we are in the fourth. So we're actually in the fourth wave on the monthly chart, okay? And the most current candle that has formed right now, if as you can see, it's actually looking like a bearish candle. It's not finished forming yet, but right now it looks bearish. So we'll go down to the weekly, and on the weekly you can see that we seem to be in a channel. If I were to draw the lines here, you will see we have what looks like a channel, okay? So we are in a channel right now, and you can see that the market seems to have bounced off of the upper part of the channel and is heading down, just like it did here and here. So we'll go down to the daily chart, and on the daily chart we have the cross of the MACD here, and we have this point higher than this point, so that gives us a valid wave top situation. So if we plot our price targets here, this is what we get. So we have price targets that bring us down to this place, and you can see that the sixth target is it's on the same area as the end of the rather the bottom of the channel, and also where I placed my profit target. So let's go down to the 4-hour chart, and on the 4-hour chart this is what's going on so far. So I've been keeping my eye on this currency pair for a while, and I've been fully expecting it to turn around for quite a while now. So what I did was, when I saw that it was beginning to look like it was going to turn around this morning, I plotted the trend line like so, excuse me, and once it broke the trend line here, when I came back and checked, this is the 4-hour chart. So when I saw that it had broken the trend line, I decided to go in with 2 lots, okay, and I was rewarded a few hours later with this move here. So I've taken the liberty of locking my profit at 21 pips. So all I'm going to do now is just watch it and wait patiently for my price target to be actualized, which I believe should happen within a day or so. So the good thing about these wave top situations and wave bottom situations is that if you catch them early at the points of reversal, you have the opportunity to make profits with minimal force. As you can see, at no point at all did the market try to go back to take me out, because I placed my stop here. That was before I made the recording, and then I moved my stop here just to protect profit. But this is the kind of trade we look for, okay? Everything is in place. We have the wave top situation, we have the cross of the MACD. I haven't plotted the EMAs here, but if I were to do that, let me just do that so that you will see. Let's see if I can do that quickly. Moving average. All right. So we have the 21. Make it exponential. Make it slightly thick. All right. Okay. 5. Make it blue. All right. So you can see here that by plotting the EMA, you can see where it crossed. So that means that just after the cross, I entered the market. So that means my stop anywhere above this cross would have been good for me. Essentially, that's what you do. You try to place your stop above the cross. That is the dead cross of the EMA or the golden cross of the EMA, like in this situation here. You place your stop anywhere below. Most of the time, the market will not come back to take you out. And you can see here in this instance that if I had placed my stop just here, then the market would have been, I would have been safe, okay? Anyway, the point is I got in here, so there was at no point in time did the market take me out. So that's my take on the USdCad, and I hope I was able to impart some meaningful knowledge to you guys. Thank you very much, and happy trading.